cyclic group. So what is cyclic group? Definition of cyclic group is a group G with respect to multiplication means G dot is called cyclic group if each element of G can be written as some integer power of elements of G. Okay, it means a group G dot is called cyclic group if for A belongs to G, every element of G can be written as integer power of A. Okay, that is G is equal to A to the power R such that R belongs to I. Okay, it means every element of G can be written as some integer power of elements of G. A is any element and every element of G can be written an integer power of G. Okay, so this is called cyclic group. And here A is called generator of G. Here A is called generator of G. So this G can also be written as this type, G is equal to A. It means A is generator. For example, you know in a multiplication operation 1 omega square. Okay, so this is a group with respect to multiplication. So first we see, can you write all the elements of G as some integer power of elements of G? So here I am going to explain how we will write. So first you see 1. So each element of G cannot be written as integer power of 1 because 1 to the power 1 is equal to 1 and omega square we cannot write in integer power of 1. But if we take omega belongs to G, so omega square means omega to the power 1 is omega to the power 2 is omega square, and omega power 3 is 1 means this. So here we see all the elements of G can be written as power of G omega. Okay, means omega is generator of G. And similarly we will try for omega square. So of course omega square power 1 is equal to omega square power 2 is equal to omega 4 means omega cube into omega. So this is omega because omega cube is equal to 1. Similarly omega square power 3 is equal to omega 6 is equal to 1. It means omega square is also a generator of G. It means this is a cyclic group. Okay, similarly if you take G is equal to 1 minus 1 I minus I. Okay, so here we see I is generator of G, means G is equal to I. Okay, because you can write here I to the power 1 I to the power 2 I square minus 1 I cube minus I and I 4. Similarly minus I is also a generator because this can be written minus I to the power 1 minus I to the power 2 means I square minus 1 I to the power minus I to the power cube. This is also minus I cube minus 1. So this is I cube minus I minus 1 plus and I 4. This is 1. Okay. So I and minus I is a generator of G. So I think this is very easy definition of a cyclic group. What is cyclic group? A group G dot is said to be cyclic if each element of G can be written as some integer power of elements of G. Means some elements of G, not for every element of G. Because here you see there are 3 elements. So only generator omega and omega square. An important remark on cyclic group means if G is a group with respect to addition, okay, then G is cyclic. It means generator of G can be written this A belongs to G, A is equal to minus 3A minus 2A minus A 0, A 2A up to so on. It means in the operation multiplication we will write A to the power n, but in the case of addition we will write NA. Okay, so this is the cyclic group for addition. An important theorem which is very important, every cyclic group is an abelian group. Okay, so proof is very easy. Let G is equal to A be a cyclic group where A belongs to G. It means we have, if G is cyclic, it means each element of G can be written some integer power of elements of G. Okay, this can also be written as G is equal to A to the power R such that R belongs to I. Okay, so this is cyclic. Now we need to show this cyclic group is abelian. So as we have, what is abelian group? A group is said to be abelian if each element of G commutative. Means if X and Y belongs to G, so X dot Y equal to Y dot X. Okay, so this is our aim. Now, so let X, Y belongs to G. So since G is abelian, so each element of G is some power of elements of A. So X is equal to A to the power M and Y is equal to A to the power N, where M, N belongs to I. So X dot Y is equal to A to the power M dot A to the power N. By the law of multiplication of integers, so A to the power M plus N. Since we have integers are commutative, means 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. So this can be written as A to the power N plus M. Okay, since M plus N is equal to N plus M. So here this is equal to A to the power N into A to the power M. Okay, so here A to the power N is nothing but Y and this is X. It means X dot Y is equal to Y dot X. Therefore G is abelian. It means every cyclic group is an abelian group. Okay. So next property of cyclic group. Okay, it is very important. It means if A is a generator of a cyclic group G, then inverse of A is also a generator of G. Okay, so as we have explained, an example means here G is equal to 1 omega square. So here omega is generator of G, then its inverse means omega square is also generator of G. Okay, similarly in this group, here you see if I belongs to G, so I is generator of G, then its inverse means minus I is also generator of G. Okay, so this is a very important property in a cyclic group. So very easy proof. So let G is equal to A means A is a generator. So G is equal to A is a cyclic group. It means each element of G can be written integer power of A. It means let A to the power R be any element of G. Then where R belongs to I. Then A to the power R is equal to A minus 1 minus R, because since if R is an integer, then minus R is also integer. Okay, since R belongs to I, then minus R also belongs to I. It means elements of G can be written as this minus R. Okay, where minus R belongs to I. So by definition, this G is a cyclic group generated by A inverse. It means G is equal to A inverse, and A inverse is generator. Okay, it means if A is generator, therefore its inverse is also generator of G. Now, an important theorem: the order of a cyclic group is order of generator. Okay, so as we know, order of group. What is order of group? So number of elements in a group is called order of group. It means how many elements in a group. So this is order of group. And order of an element of a group, it means let A belongs to G. So order of A is a least positive integer such that A to the power n is equal to E, as we have explained in before lecture. Okay, so here this 1 omega square is a cyclic group. Okay, so order of G, it means how many elements of G? 1, 2, 3. So here order of G is 3. Also omega and omega square are generator. So we have order of omega is equal to 3 because omega cube is equal to identity. Okay, similarly omega square to the power 3 is equal to identity because we have order of an element of a group, means a least positive integer such that A to the power n is equal to E. So here order of omega is 3, order of omega square is 3, and order of G is 3. It means in a cyclic group, order of group is order of generator of a group. Okay, therefore order of G is equal to order of cyclic group, means generator of a group where G is equal to A. Okay, next an important theorem on cyclic group means every group of prime order is cyclic. Okay,